Hi there, and good afternoon to all you students and your parents as well. Teacher Tim here, and we're going to continue with the subtraction. I hope you all watched the YouTube video I sent to you this morning about the introduction to subtraction. If you did, which I hope you all did, then you have a base understanding of subtractions, but I will continue with it and explain it, what it means, and do a few examples. Okay, so if you look at the board behind me, subtraction is what is left after taking something away. So let's look to my right here at this example. Okay, so here we have a very beautiful apple tree, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 apples on the tree. Then one day 3 apples fell to the ground because they were ripe. Okay, so 3 apples fell off, and then the question: how many apples are left on the apple tree? So if you can take away pictures like I just did, then you can just count the number of apples left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 7 apples minus 3 fell down equals 4. But you can also do it like this. If you cannot take away, you can cross out. So you can cross out 3. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, and then you count how many remaining apples you have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you have 4 apples left on the apple tree. Okay, that was not too difficult, right? You understand this? All right, good. Now let's look on my left, not your left, my left. This is my left, so look on my left. Okay, so here we have butterflies. How many butterflies do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 butterflies in the garden, but all of a sudden 2 butterflies, they fly away. So, excuse me, the microphone. So you have 6 butterflies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this beautiful garden, and then all of a sudden 2 butterflies, they fly away. So they fly away. Okay. So then, how many butterflies are left in the garden? Then you can count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 butterflies left in the garden. So you have 6 minus 2 equals 4. But same as with apples, if you cannot take away pictures like I did, then you can draw them. So you have 6 butterflies, and then 2 flew away, you cross out 2, and then you count the remaining butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Alright, good. Everyone understands? Alright, very good. Now I will shift the camera. Okay, I will shift the camera to this position over here. Okay, so same as in addition, the previous unit, you can use number bonds. So let's say you have a number 5 minus 4 equals, you don't know. So then you can use number bonds. So the total, the whole is 5, one part is 4, what is the other part? So let's use my lollipops. So let's use the lollipops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the whole is 5. You have 5 lollipops, and then one part is 4 lollipops. And what is the other part? So you have 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So then 4, how many are left here? 1. So then this part must be 1. Okay, because 4 plus 1 equals 5. Okay? Alright, good. So then let's answer 5 minus 4 equals 1. Okay. Or let's make it into a word problem. You have 5 lollipops. You eat 4. How many lollipops do you have left? Okay. Now I change the camera again. Now look at the center of the board. Here we have a 10 frame. This is another way of solving subtraction. Okay, so if you just have a number, then you can make a 10 frame yourself. Sometimes the book, they don't give you this, they only give you a number. So if you don't know the answer, if you are unsure, then you can use a 10 frame, especially when it's about subtraction up to 10, because this unit is subtraction up to 10. So you will not have hundreds or thousands or any high numbers. You will have maximum 10. Okay, so the 10 frame works like this. You have 8. So you have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you have 8 minus 5. So then you just cross out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you count how many you have left. How many you have not crossed out? 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. And then you can double check, check. Check. How do you check? You take these two numbers equals that. So 3 plus 5 equals what? 3 plus 5 equals 8. So that is how you know that 3 is correct. Because 3 plus 5 equals 8. And 8 is the total, is the whole that you started with. 8 minus 5. Okay? Good. Not too difficult, right? So I have now shown you a few different ways of solving subtraction, but if you already know, if you can solve it in your head, very good. But you can also use number bonds or use a 10 frame if you're dealing with lower numbers. Or you can just do the maths in your head if you can. Okay? So, alright, good. Now I will give you 2 small worksheets as homework. Okay? So I will change the camera angle. Okay, just give me a second and I will change the angle. Alright, hold on. Okay, hello again. So the first worksheet, cross out the shapes according to the number sentences, then find the answers. So this is almost like a 10 frame that I just showed you on the board. You will cross out. So you have 5, then minus 3, and that equals what? How many? So if we do it like they say, cross out, same as I did on the board with the 10 frame. If we cross out 3 and we see how many we have left. 1, 2, 3. So how many do we have left? Let's count. 1, 2, 2, and then we check. Okay, I have to use this. Okay, so 2 plus 3 equals what? 5. That is correct. So 5 and then same. So that is how you know that 2 is correct. Okay? So then please do these 4 exercises on this page. You have 7 minus 6, 4 minus 2, 6 minus 1, 9 minus 5. And don't forget to check the answer. Okay? And the second worksheet, I'm giving you 2 worksheets because there are so few exercises on each worksheet. And this one, let's read the instructions. Cross out the shapes according to the number sentences, then find the answers. So it's the same as on the first worksheet. Let's do the first one together. We have 8. Let's count to make sure they are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is correct. So 8 minus 3. Then we cross out 1, 2, 3. And what does that equal to? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is the answer. And then we double check. 5 plus 3 equals, so 5, 6, 7, 8. That equals 8. 8 is the same as the starting number. So check and it's correct. Okay. And then the next one, 6 minus 5 equals what? 3 minus 1 equals what? And 5 minus 2 equals, and lastly 10 minus 4 equals what? Okay, boys and girls, that will be all for this video clip. Okay, take care and I will see you later. See you in the next clip. Bye bye. Okay, and now this part is only for the parents. Okay, so please go get your parents and have them look at this, because now I'm going to give your parents the answers so they can check your answers to see if they are correct. Okay, so go get your parents. Okay, I will now show you the answers. So number 1, 5 minus 3 equals 2. Number 2, 7 minus 6 equals 1. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 6 minus 1 equals 5. And 9 minus 5 equals 4. Okay. And the second worksheet, 8 minus 3 equals 5. 6 minus 5 equals 1. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 5 minus 2 equals 3. And lastly, 10 minus 4 equals 6. Okay, so these are the answers. Alright, good job. I will see you in the next clip. Bye bye.